Popular international recording artist Beenie pleads not guilty to charges over alleged illegal party. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 7 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So as you know, dancehall recording artist Beenie got himself involved with a little bit of trouble the other day in relation to a Noise Abatement Act and the breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, after it is alleged that the recording artist hosted a party under the COVID pandemic restriction that was outlined by the government. So the Grammy Award winning Beenie will return to court in St. Elizabeth, and that's the St. Elizabeth Parish Court, on April 19, when the trial surrounding charges that he breached the Disaster Risk and Noise Abatement Act in Jamaica slated to begin. The artist, whose real name is Moses Davis, pleaded not guilty to 2 charges in court on Wednesday morning in the presence of his attorney, Roger Gordon. So the charges read out that the artist failed to obtain permission from the superintendent contrary to the Noise Abatement Act, and that there was a breach of the curfew contrary to the relevant disaster relief management order. The dancehall recording international superstar Beenie had been slapped with dual charges in connection to an illegal party he hosted in the Shrewsbury district of St. Elizabeth on November 29. The police reportedly turned up at the party and dispersed the crowd, and Beenie was warned for prosecution. The 47-year-old dancehall entertainer was in the brink of promoting a New Year's party in December of 2020 when lawmen summoned him to the Black River police station, where he was charged for breaching protocols with the previous party that was hosted on November 29. But this is very sad to see how Beenie has gotten himself involved in such a situation, and he went to court yesterday and he pleaded not guilty to the charges stemming from the party that was hosted on November 29. But when we look at what is going on in the country, we have seen a number of individuals hosting illegal parties right across the country, and we have seen a number of them being shut down by the police due to the protocols that are outlined by the government in light of the COVID spread that is sweeping the world. But these are just restrictions put in place just in order to protect the lives of individuals, and the people are basically breaching the Disaster and Risk and Noise Abatement Act that was outlined and slated out by the government in full swing from March last year leading up until now. And this has just been a widespread thing that has been going on throughout the world right now, where countries have put in restrictive measures just in order to eradicate the spread or to slow the spread of the COVID pandemic that is bearing down on the world. But Beenie will make his next court appearance on April 19, when he should be answering to the charges of breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act and also the Noise Abatement Act. The dancehall entertainer, as he was in court yesterday, he pleaded not guilty to these charges. So we'll just continue to just follow this story and just try to provide you with the latest details to come on this. So this has been Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop.